As Jennifer Lambers comes in to play. Jen, good morning. Maybe a little rain today.
Good morning, Chelsea. Yeah, we do have the potential for an isolated quick passing shower to start off for this morning and heading later on into today. Today's rain chances, however, still staying pretty low out there. Now, we are waking up with some of those overcast skies. You can really start to see some of those offshore showers at this time. But looking in just a little bit closer, increased cloud cover so far to begin this morning. So we're starting to see a bit more of those overcast conditions, keeping it just a little bit less sunny out there, but also contributing to it feeling extra cool to start off for this morning. Taking a look at our temperatures, our inland spots right now resting in the upper 60s as you head further towards the coast, really beginning to see more of those upper 70s so far to begin the morning. So still quite a range, and mid 70s hanging out just there in the central Gulf Coast. Now taking a look at the dew points out there, we're slowly starting to see these rise in some areas, getting back up into the 60s. Some spots still waking up with dew points in the 50s, however. But regardless of all of that, feeling nice stepping out the door. Now heading later on into today, temperatures, they're going to continue to warm up, slightly cooler than the past few days, more of seeing those mid to upper 80s out there, not quite getting into the 90s for some spots. So that'll be the good news. Heading later on into this evening, we'll be dipping down to the upper 70s by 7 o'clock in case you are making any evening plans. Now tracking the tropics at this time, still just 3 areas that we're monitoring. Now, one just off the coast of the Carolinas, still looking at that 30% chance for development. Area of low pressure expected to emerge off. If it stays over at open waters, it could develop some of those tropical characteristics. We have Hurricane Nigel, now a Category 2 hurricane, and then this wave just off the coast of Africa. You can really start to see that beginning to push off at this time. High chances of development over the next 7 days. Could become a tropical depression heading into the weekend. And if it does become a tropical storm, the next name would be Ophelia. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what the rest of your week shaping up to look like, and a bit more about that rain potential. All that's coming up soon. Joe, Chelsea.